Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on PancakeSwap. The price line of Pancake is dropped more than 50% after August 2021, and in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to drop more or we are going to have a bullish reversal from here. But before moving to the charts, I would like to request you, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart. This is the weekly time frame, and on this live weekly time frame chart, if I show you, this is the month of August on 23rd of August. And by the way, this is the weekly candlestick. Every candlestick is representing 1 week. So this candlestick was started on 23rd of August. And if I place this measurement tool, then we can see that we are down even more than 60% approximately. We are down after the month of August, and the price line dropped from $26.6 to $10, and now it is moving sideways here. Right now it is moving at $11.28. Now if I place this trend line here and connect all the wicks of the candlestick, then we can see that we also have a very strong support here, and the price line has dropped at this support, and now it is still moving above this support. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, then here it can be easily observed that the price line has formed a down channel. This is the resistance of the channel, and this is the support. And you can see that here the price line entered the channel on 3rd of November, and it is getting rejected by this resistance again and again, and also having the nice bounces. Now if we switch to the more small time frame, like on the 4-hourly time frame, then here it can be clearly seen that the price line has also formed a descending triangle here. You can see that this is the resistance of the new descending triangle on the 4-hourly time frame, and this is the support, and the price line is having another bounce by this support. We have first bounce here, next bounce here, and another bounce here. And right now, after hitting this support, the price line is again getting bounced, and you can see that the triangle is getting more and more squeezed. Therefore, the price line can break out or break down the support or the resistance of the triangle at any time. For example, if, as I'm expecting, that the price line breaks out the resistance, then our next imminent target as per this triangle will be approximately $13.73. And you can see if the price line breaks it out, this resistance, then it will also break out the resistance of this down channel on the daily time frame. And our next target, in case of breakout from this down channel, will be here. First, we have a resistance here at $14.60. Then we have the next target here at the tail of this channel that will be approximately at $20. And once the price line will be able to break it out this level, you can see that at $20 to $21 we have a very strong resistance zone. And if the price line breaks this resistance zone out, then it will be a very massive rally, the starting of a very massive rally on the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.